Hello and welcome to BISP Solution. So welcome back to sessions of Oracle Fusion Financial. So we are going to resume a Fusion, discussion. So in the previous sessions we have completed the configuration of a common GL, that how we create the chart of structure and the instances, value segments and the segments, and how we will set values. And we have also seen how to provide the seeded roles to a user. And in the previous sessions we have already covered about the legal entity and the business unit as well, and what is LDG and etc. Okay, and how to assign the LDG to a legal entity. So we have all covered in the previous sessions. So now in the today's session we are going to do exercise about the rapid implementation. Okay, what is rapid implementation? Rapid implementation is that we will just import data from an Excel sheet to Oracle Fusion Financial. Okay, why we will do this rapid implementation? Rapid implementation is done because if some client, if or your client is coming from another ERP or from another resource coming and wants to record the transaction everything in Oracle, so it is a very time consuming to upload or to record the transaction one by one. So Oracle provides some sheets that we will copy, that we will import it here, and we can record the bulk transaction. Okay, so this is how the rapid implementation work. Okay, so rapid implementation can be done here. Okay, so by doing the rapid implementation, what we will cover doing the rapid implementation. Okay, here rapid implementation RI, what we will do, we have created the chart of accounts. Okay, we have created, so what it covers, it covers a chart of accounts, it covers value sets, chart of accounts in value sets, it covers COA structure. Okay, it covers COA structure, instances. What it also covers, it covers the deployment. If we will change after the rapid implementation, we have to do the deployment, but when we do the rapid implementation we don't need to deploy the flex field. Okay, it changed the, it do value in value sites. Okay, it create the financial common entities. Okay, it creates our accounting calendar. We don't have to create our accounting calendar. We can create the primary ledger, the legal entity. We can do the business unit. We don't need to again we can assign the BU to business function. So all are these transactions. Okay, these functions that we create manually, that we have seen already in the previous sessions, all will be covered by the rapid implementation. Okay, one more thing is that we have to create the implementation project, and okay, we can just upload it, the implementation sheet, without creating the implementation project, so we can assign it after that. Okay, so how we will download the rapid implementation sheet? Okay, from the settings and actions, we'll go to the setup and maintenance. Okay, and here from the task list, here we will go to the search options, and we will type it rapid. Okay, after clicking rapid you will see the various name here. Define accounting entry configuration for rapid implementation, defining accounting rules for rapid. These all the related to the rapid implementation sheet will be come up. Okay, but we will go to the for the financial. So we will click define common financial configuration for rapid implementation. Okay, when you see this manage geographies, if you want to upload the manage geographies from the rapid implementation, you can just download these sheets. All the sheets are available here, where the common financial configuration is available for the rapid implementation. So you can just download it and you can import it from here. But what we are just going to do, we are just creating the create chart of accounts. We will download this. Okay, here you can see a rapid implementation for general ledger is downloaded. Okay, so where it is downloaded, let's go. Okay, again here we will just copy. Okay, we will just here. So we have downloaded the rapid implementation for general ledger. Okay, we will open this ledger. Okay, and let's see. Okay, here it is protected, so we will enable this editing, and here you'll see. So this is the rapid implementation for general ledger. These are the instructions given by the Oracle while just recording the data into the sheets, or while we upload this sheet to the Oracle Fusion Financial. So you can just go and through this and follow the instructions. You will be able to see here. Okay, here it is showing you this upload enterprise structure, that we will see when we upload this sheet. Okay, today we will going to upload this sheet. Okay, so now what is this? Is the COA calendar ledger. Here the chart of accounts, calendar and ledger is being created. Okay, here you will we have to give the name. Okay, the unique name. So we have created the test one project or a user, so we have to select any something else for the, so that the Oracle will read it and it will not give an error while we will upload the implementation sheet. Okay, so again we will just give the name. You can see the business units, companies, legal entities, national financial sequences. These are all given. Okay, if you want to add the segment sheets, from here we will edit. We will see how. And after the completing all the necessary data in the rapid implementation sheet, we will validate it. If it is not given any error, then we will create the chart of account file and a ledger, ledger entity, legal entity, and VU file. It will be the WinRAR file. Okay, so let's fill out the information. Here the name. What is the name? You can give any name related to the project or related to your implementation project or user. We will create this name given PRA. We will give in this name, suppose we will give this PRA 1. Let's give PRA. Okay, and what is the currency that we are going to do? And of course we will choose the USD. Period frequency. Period frequency is that whether you will going to do the monthly that we have seen, or a weekly, or etc. So we will choose the monthly. Here you see the star sign. A star sign means that it is required, it is mandatory to record the or to fill up the information in the given blank. Okay, we have to write. What is the adjusting periods? We have already selected the adjusting period is once at the year end. And what is the fiscal year? Remember, we have to write the date in this format as given by the Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay, this, so month is first comes, so we will just give 1st of January 2024. So now we have just put the basic information, and now the segment come. As we have already seen, when we create the COA and structure value sets, we create a manage structure instances, and there we create accounting flex field and accounting flex, or we have given certain amounts to that. So we can just select it here. And what are the segment? Only two or three sequence is given, segment given, that is mandatory, that is minimum. We can add segments as much as we want in here and record it. So first segment we will give in is the company, okay, as we have selected. Okay, what is the segment label we will choose? We will choose the primary balancing segment. Short prompt is the short name of the segment should be provided, so we will give comp. And display with name, as we have already said how much the code which is given, we will just choose the 4 decimals. So a next segment will come up is department. Okay, department, we have given the segment level to what we have given, a cost center segment. Okay, we will just give him the cost center segment we will provide, and we will give this name to DEPA and give the display width in the sequence of the 4 values up to the digit of the 4 values. So a third segment, what is the third segment? As of course we will give the account segment. Okay, and we will provide him the segment level is natural account segment, where all the revenues, expenses, assets and liabilities can be captured. Okay, so now here again we will give, and we will provide this 4. Okay, we just giving the display with name all 4. Okay, now the fourth segment, what we will choose the fourth segment, that we will create the intercompany. Okay, we you can just link it, or you remember when we are doing in the previous sessions while we creating the chart of accounts structure or chart of accounts structure instances, and we were creating the segments, etc. Okay, we have already seen it. So now we create again. Okay, intercompany again, we will just select what is the intercompany. If you want to give intercompany segment, you can give it, otherwise leave it. We'll just give enter. We have provide display with this 4. The fifth segment we will give him project. If you want to give project, we will just leave the blank segment level blank, and we will just give proj and give 4. Now you can see the company and account is already there. About the department intercompany project segment, the sheet is not there, so we will just click after this add segment sheets. Now you will be able to see that department, intercompany and project segment sheets are now being generated. Okay, so now we will just create the business units again. So we will give the name of the business unit and the default legal entity name. So now we provide a PRA US business unit is a business unit. Okay, and what is the legal entity name? PRA USA legal entity. Okay, so this is a business unit name, and this is a legal entity name. Okay, we move forward and we will just record the companies and legal segments, legal entity. Okay, here we have to record it. Here you can see the value up to the 9th parent. Suppose we have provided the for 9999 is the site value, so we can give the parent name from 0000 to 9999, and what extent the parent value will go, it will go to the 9th value. Okay, from this parent to this parent to this parent, it means to parent of parent of parent. Okay, and the last name will be provided as the child. Okay, so here we can record this. Here the company description is given, the name, identifier. Here we will provide the legal entity. What is the legal entity information that we have given by the client. Okay, so now again, so we don't write the imaginary, we have to go to the Oracle and search it. Okay, again let's see, again from legal address we will find out. Okay, okay, so now we will give the parent one value of 9999, that is the last, and what we will provide, we will give the legal entity name is PRA USA legal entity. Okay, we will give this. Okay, yeah. So now here we will provide the child value. Okay, what is the child value? That we have created the child value, as you remember, when we are setting up the value in set values. Okay, that 1000 code, 2000 code, here we will do as well. So we will give 1000, and here we will give PRA pence. Okay, and what is the, sorry, we have just done something wrong here. Okay, we will give here all companies, we will provide the name here, all companies. Okay, now here we will provide the child value is 1000, and what is the name? We will just copy and paste the legal entity name here. Okay, so now what is the name? Name is sorry, we will provide the name here, the legal entity name. Here the company description, the company is of pens, PRA dash pens. Okay, now the identifier, you can provide the identification number of a company, that legal entity that can be easily identified. So we just give any identity legal. Okay, so now what is the country? The country is, of course, we have selected United States. Okay, what is the address line? We just give address, PRA address. Okay, so now, so what is the city that we have here? We will just go and copy and paste it, so it will not give in an error when we upload it. Okay, the state we will provide, what is the county, province we can leave it, the pin code we can just take it. Okay, so yeah, now this always remember, the star mark, the option mark is always the required one. We have to fill out this, we cannot leave that, okay, blank. So we will provide him this, and reporting unit registration number is also been provided here. Okay, so we have provided this, and we have created this again. Okay, so now we will just give another child value is 2000 PRA brush. Okay, and we just copy and paste it. When you copy and paste it, you will be able to see the gray line out it. It means that it will understand, Oracle, this sheet is understand that the information of this legal entity for this company description is same as above. Okay, so it is understandable for the Oracle. So now we will just provide him the 3000. Again we will give the last, and that we will give PRA paper. Again we will copy and paste this, and you will be see again it will be grayed out. Okay, so natural account we will leave for now. We move to the financial sequences. Financial sequences is that when the sequence can be restarted. Okay, we will just click on never option, give never. This will be changed, and I will come back to you what is means there. Initial value will be same. Okay, so now we move for the department. Okay, again we will provide the department. Okay, we will just give a 9999 and all department here. Okay, and we will provide the child value. The child value, or we will provide 1000 to the finance, 2000 to the sales, 3000 to the HR, or 4000 to the marketing. Okay, so these are the, we provided this information. Okay, so now what else is that? Intercompany, we will provide the intercompany as well. We give 999. Okay, all intercompany, and we give this value default. Okay, again for the project we will do the same. We provide the parent. Suppose if you I will tell you. Okay, so this is how. So now here we have just recorded the and we have just fill out all the sheets: project, intercompany, department, financial sequence, company, legal entity, business unit. Now for natural account, what we will do? We can just create the natural account if we have accounts, if we are doing the first times. Otherwise we can just copy and paste it from the instructions. The sheet is given there for us. Here you can see sample data. When you double click here, a sheet is open up. Okay, we can just copy the natural account. Here you can see the segments are there, the legal entity is provided. Okay, the companies and legal entities, natural, LOB, all the segments that we are required, we can just choose it from here. Okay, so now from the natural account we will copy it. We have to copy the full. Just remember from where you are copying. You are copying from E or in parent 6, so it can be easily pasted, and we have to copy it all. Okay, so this is the last that we have copied. Okay, again we will go to a rapid implementation sheet on the natural account from E6. From here we have to copy here. From if you do this and this, the sequence is broke up, and the rapid implementation sheet will give you an error while you uploading it. Okay, we just paste it. Okay, it shows the name account type already. Yes, we can just click it, so the accounts can be pasted easily. Okay, okay. So this all the this field has been copied and pasted. Now we'll just close that sheet. Okay, so now after just recording all the sheets, we will back to here, and we will click validate if some sheet has given an error or not. Let's click. So what is this provided? It is provided some error. What is this error? This error is white value of exceeds. So what is this error? We can validate it or not. So the error is that we have selected the account display with this 4, and what is the natural account that is providing 5. So we will just back up here and change it to 5, and we will click again on the validation. Okay, so now what is the next error it is providing? The COA calendar child error. When we click here, it comes up here, PRA. Okay, okay, it gives something space. Okay, we have provided the space. Click and we just add it, PRA. And now what is another error is providing? Child value. Okay, it shows you 1000. It has to be start with 1000. All intercompany department. Okay, so we just given him is the default one, so the name can be same. Okay, let's see if it is done or not. Let's see. Okay, again. Okay, why it is providing that we cannot create the default. Okay, we have to give 1000 as well, so we will provide 1000, and we will give all intercompany details. And we just give him the company. Okay, and now we will just validate this sheet. Let's see, it gives an error. So you can see this validation is a successful and no errors found. And if you want to preview the sample or reports, we don't want to preview any sample or reports. We click on no. After we will just seeing this validation thing, we will just generate the COA. Now we will generate a COI and save it somewhere else. Okay, we will go to where we are saving all this. Okay, we have to save it. Okay, it is a zip file. We will create the general ledger. Okay, create save and now suppose on the department we after just okay, so all this zip file has been converted. We will now go and upload the rapid implementation. Okay, we will go there. As I told you, we don't need a user. You can create a user. We don't need an implementation project for the importing of the rapid implementation. Okay, we can just export first, then we can assign the all the things. Okay, we will see it. So we are just going to import first. Okay, the site is working very slow, so it takes times. Okay, here we will type rapid again and we click entered. Okay, again we will go to the search option where we have downloaded this rapid implementation sheet. The site is the application is working very slow. This is the test application, so sometimes the application works slow. Here L- and here if we have just missed out any department or any child value, we can just create it here after importing to 5000, and then we click on generate additional hierarchy. It will be given when we will upload the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. Yes, let's go to the search options again, and we will search Rapid again, where we have just installed the Rapid implementation sheet. Okay, we will search it here, Rapid, and again we will go to the common financial Rapid implementation where we have installed it. Here you can see define again common financial configuration for Rapid implementation, and we just go here. And you will see the site is really getting slow, so it harden, it will take some time while we import it. So let's see whether it will be imported or not. Okay, just wait for 5 minutes or more. Let's wait 5 more minutes. Okay, this is the testing sign, so sometime it happens there. So I think so we shall continue tomorrow the session from Rapid implementation, how we will just upload it. I have shown you how to fill the sheet of Rapid implementation, and in the tomorrow session we will see how we will upload it, and we also see tomorrow how we will generate additional hierarchy and how to upload it. So so thank you for joining us, and sorry for the interruption. So we will continue tomorrow. Okay, so thank you.